Namaste children, your Kirtana Mataji is back with Shloka. Today come let us all learn one Shloka about Lord Krishna. Yes, on this 30th we all are going to celebrate Krishna Janmashtami. On the occasion of Lord Krishna's birth, we all are celebrating as Krishna Janmashtami. Okay, so come let us all say this Shloka for Lord Krishna. Join your hands. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. We will say this shloka one more time. All of you repeat with me, okay? Vasudeva Sutam Devam Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. Yes, children, practice this shloka and say this shloka on Krishna Janmashtami day. Take blessing from Lord Krishna. Now, Mataji will continue the class.
Welcome back to another session with your Bhavani Mataji. In this session, let us learn how to write capital G, small g, capital H and small h in the class workbook. Okay? Before that, let us revise the sounds of the letters. Okay? G. What is the sound of G? G. G. Goats giggling. G, g, g. G is the sound of G. Then we have H. What is the sound of H? H. Helicopters hovering. H, H, H. H is the sound of H. H is the sound of H. So how to write G and H? You already know how to write that, right? Let us revise it by writing in the air. Curve. Go up. Write a small slipping line and a standing line. This makes G, capital G. Then how to write small g? Curve. Go up, touch the first line, then come down and have a bend. So, what is this? It's a small g. How to write H? Standing line, and a sleeping line in between makes capital H. Now let us trace small h. How to trace a small letter H? Standing line, go up on the standing line and make a bend and a standing line, which makes small h. Children, let us write in the classwork now. I request the parents to write this pattern in the book and help the child in writing. First, let us write the date. 28-8-21. So, what is the first one we have? Capital G and small g. Start a curve from the first red line, then touch the second blue line, go up, touch the first blue line, write a small sleeping line and write a standing line, touching the first and second blue lines. This is capital G. Now let us write small g. Write a curve touching the first blue line and the second blue line. Then go and touch the curve at the first point on the first blue line. Then make a standing line, touch the first red line and make a small bend. And you have to stop it between the second blue line and the second red line. Capital G and small g. Yes, children, now let us write capital H and small h. How to write capital H? Standing line, and a sleeping line. Standing line starting from the first red line and touching the second blue line. And the sleeping line start from the first standing line and touch the second standing line. Now how to write small h? Standing line, start from the first red line and touch the second blue line. Then go up on the same standing line and make a bend and a standing line. Touch the second blue line. This makes small h. Standing line and a sleeping line. This makes capital H. Standing line, go back on the same line and make a bend and a standing line makes small h. So children, now you have written capital letter G and small g, capital letter H and small h in your classwork. Children, now we have finished writing G and H. Let us write from A to H once. For that, we have to draw lines like this. Okay, you can ask your parents to help you in drawing this line. Now let's write A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f, capital G, small g, capital H, small h. Did you all finish it? Okay, good. Mataji will continue the session now.
Children, Lavanya Mataji is back with new session. Today's session, let us do an interesting activity. I know you all love to do activities, right? So, let's learn a new activity related to alphabet. This is called as matching activity, right? Are you all ready, children, now? Shall we start the activity? I have few picture cards, right? So, along with that, I am having few alphabet with me. Fine? Which alphabet is this? You have to recognize the alphabet first. Okay? Then you have to match with the picture which starts from this alphabet. Are you all ready, children? Let's start. Okay? Now, which is this alphabet? This is F, right? So, can you just find out, children, where is the picture which starts from F? Is this starts from F? No. Is this starts from F? No. Which starts from F, children? The letter F? Yes. Right. This is fish, for fish. So let's keep for small letter F near fish. You are matching the small letters with the picture card. Fine. So this is small letter F, you know, right? So fish starts from the letter F. Now I will show you one more card, children. Which letter is this? You all know, right? This is small letter E. So E for what? E for, what is this? This is horse, right? Will it start from letter E? No. Which starts from letter E? Let us search. Yeah, here is an elephant, right? So, E for elephant. Okay, now which letter is this? This is small letter I, right? So, now which picture starts from letter I? Let us search. Yes, it's igloo, right? So, let's keep letter I here. Now, which is this letter, children? This is the letter H. The sound is H. So, which picture is starting from letter H here? Is this? No. What is this? Yes, this is horse, right? So, H, horse. So, it starts from letter H, right? So, let's keep H here. Fine. Now, I am having one more letter here. Which letter is this? This is small letter J. You all have learnt, right? J, jug. So, where is jug? It's here. So, let's keep it here. Now, the last picture is, what is this, children? This is a goat, right? Goat starts from the letter, you all know, right? Goat starts from the letter G. This is small letter G. So, let's keep it here. So, in this way, children, you all can do many activities related to alphabet. So, you all enjoy the activity, no, children? So, all of you try this activity in your home. Fine? Hope you all enjoyed the activity, children. See you soon in the next sessions. Ram Ram.